Alright, YouTubers, we have the last fan for today. It is this Robbins and Myers, also referred to as a sawtooth, because this rotor uses pitch on the rotor, not the blades. So you can change the pitch by screwing them to the up position instead of the down position. Well, that's kind of neat. Let's go up here and look at the tag. Looks decent. Well, port and canopy. This fan is also sporting the original 4-speed switch for the cutout there. So let's start this fan off. We're gonna start off on low speed. So high, medium, low. Hey, there goes my sample. Sorry about that. Pretty sure this is a 60-inch fan. This thing's huge. At least it looks huge. Might be 56, just it looks bigger than that. The low, as you can tell, is a bit fast. This is low speed. It's a little out of clock with the blades. So yeah, that's low. Let's go ahead and go to high. Medium, high. Medium. There is actually a difference in speeds. You can hear it. Now let's go ahead and get a high. High. Like I said, this thing flies. This will probably be one I keep. Depending on which one I like better, either this one or the other sawtooth fan. I'll definitely keep one of them. On high, we're drawing 2.4 amps. And yep, this thing just blows air everywhere. The switch has a little bit of a copper oxide cover to it, it's kind of neat. Motor is silent. You can kind of see that one blade that's out of clock just a little bit. Probably fixable too. So yeah. How about that? Let's go ahead and power it down. Medium. Here that was medium going down. Low. Let's go down even more. And off. If I was to use this one, I probably would. I'd probably leave the switch in this one, and I would just put it on a variable speed control. Yeah, this is definitely one I'm going to be adding to the collection. I've been looking for a Robbins and Myers sawtooth, as well as the Robbins and Myers adjustable, which is another fan I'll test more than likely Wednesday. Interesting fact, I actually have had one of these motors before, but I literally just had the motor, and it was in such bad condition. I think I got it from a Restore, some kind of place like that in Gainesville. I think Restoration Hardware or something like that. I don't know, something like that. And they just had the motor sitting around. So yeah. Let's go ahead and do a power up straight to high, just because I'm curious if it has, oh, wrong way, any kind of whine. It does. Not much though. It takes right off. Alright guys, thanks for watching.